In older Subaru cars, you could get a warning saying error HC. HC stands for high speed CAN network. So basically the warning tells you that there is no communication between some control modules in the car. As life shows, the most common issue is the loss of connection with the ECU or issues with voltage on the ECU connector. There are three most common culprits. First of all, the problem may be with a faulty 12-volt battery. If the voltage drops heavily, this leads to CAN network issues since some modules will switch off to prevent damage. So a significantly discharged battery is the first thing to check. Also, it would be nice to make sure that the battery clamps don't look corroded and the main ground connection is not loose or disconnected. The ground point may be tracked down from the negative terminal of your battery. Secondly, the problem may be connected with wiring problems. A wire chewed by a rodent or corroded connector or just old and broken wire in the system is very hard to locate, even if you have proper tools and knowledge. So if this is the case, you will need professional help. Also, in this case, the car will most likely not start at all. And the third possible reason is the aftermarket immobilizer or alarm system glitching heavily and blocking the engine from being started. In this case, you will be very lucky if you can reset the alarm's brain by disconnecting the battery for several minutes. If this doesn't help, you will need help from a good car electrician. The old glitchy alarm will need to be disconnected and deactivated so that the vehicle can start and drive. These are not the only reasons for the error HC problem, but as far as I can say, they are the most common ones. And fortunately, unless it's a serious wiring problem, you can solve the issue on your own.